it gets pre-filled.
बट इसका मतलब क्या है?
So it
टेक्निकली ये इसलिए बनाया गया क्योंकि मिसयूज ना हो कार्ड, राइट? वो डेटा अगर किसी ने वेबसाइट से चुरा लिया तो वो यूज ना हो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
बट अगर ये वेबसाइट से डेटा चुरा लिया किसी ने,
So
तो वो टोकन भी तो चुराई।
so basically if they get hold of a token, there is nothing they can do with it.
Oh, why?
So token is like a secure vault. It's a code, and that code is not, you cannot trace that back to who you are and your card. So there is, it's a huge safety factor. What it also does is कि आपने अगर किसी साइट पे अपना कार्ड को टोकनाइज कर दिया with your consent, like I said, because you use it frequently. The chances then the payment goes through in a very seamless way is also higher. So wherever cards get tokenized, we see a much higher success rate of payments. Kabhi, when people are, there is a failed payment. So that is much higher. And now we are looking at creating something, a new kind of feature and functionality where again, all of this can only happen with customer consent. जिससे कि कई sites पे आपको 16 digits, 4 digit expiry date and 3 digit CVV number key करना पड़ता है, right? So the tokenized card can take that out, and then we want to create another sort of facility where with consent and something called passkeys, which is an alternate form of authentication, you don't need to also go through the OTP. Because OTP में भी कभी कभी फ्रिक्शन होता है. Like या तो आपको टाइम पे SMS नहीं मिला, या आपको SMS मिला और उसको टाइप करते हुए you have a error and it leads to a failed transaction. Either lack of receipt of SMS और जिसको हम कहते हैं fat finger typing, तो जिससे गलती हो जाती है, तो उसके वजह से आपका transaction fail होता है. And the whole idea of digital payments is you want frictionless transaction, but at the same time you want the highest level of safety and security, right? So through biometric authentication, through pass keys and other forms of authentication, you want to reduce the friction of OTP. And through the card on file tokenization, you want to take away the need for the customer to have to type in 1643. ताकि the whole transaction is really, really fast and smooth and at the same time safe and secure. And आपने मुझे पूछा था what is a good sign of a hack, and what do people do? So right now, say for example, Apple Pay is not in India. We all hope that some point in time in 2026, Apple will potentially come to India. And when it does, you can save your credentials on an Apple phone and use it just as you can use it anywhere else in the world. For now, on an Android device, which has a NFC chip, you can save your card credential. Or agar aap, if you have an Android device with your card credential saved, just try and see if you are at a PVR Inox cinema or you are at a fast food restaurant, आपके पीछे लंबा queue है, you want to take that popcorn and head back into the cinema hall, you will just see the mobile tap and pay experience. Literally it's seconds. And what we have seen everywhere in the world, that once people get the hang of mobile tap and pay, एक तो टैप एंड पे कार्ड से भी आप कर सकते हैं, बट कार्ड के टैप एंड पे में भी आपको जेब से बटुआ निकालो, वहाँ से कार्ड निकालो, टैप करो. लॉट ऑफ पीपल नाउ, यंग पीपल, वो वॉलेट्स कैरी नहीं करते हैं, लेडीज हैंडबैग्स कैरी नहीं करते हैं. So mobile phone is something you carry with you everywhere. So just that mobile tap and pay experience, where in a matter of 4 to 5 seconds, the transaction is done. And of course, again, the regulations in India will have to allow for biometric authentication, because mobile pay app, typically now it's fingerprint, retina, password, etc. But that experience of mobile tap and pay is really, really good.
So you spoke about a lot of credit cards. कौन सा सबसे अच्छा होता है?
This is like asking a parent to choose which child do you like the most.
अब एक सिनेरियो देता हूँ मैं. ठीक है, सिनेरियो वाइज हम लोग करते हैं. इनफैक्ट I wanted to ask a blatant question before even I give you a scenario. Can you actually travel? Like मतलब आप travel कर सकते हो क्या free में just with credit points? Is it possible?
It is possible. It is possible based on how much spends you have on your cards. It's possible कि आप कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं और मतलब
तो ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं इसको.
हाँ, क्लास ऑफ ट्रैवल, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. बट सो लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल इन डिफरेंट वे. फर्स्ट, एक तो हर क्रेडिट कार्ड में यू फाइंड डिफरेंट फीचर्स, राइट? लाइक आई सेड, कुछ कार्ड्स होते हैं दे फोकस ऑन कैशबैक एंड दे कीप इट वेरी सिंपल कि आप कार्ड पे इतना स्पेंड करो और आपको इतना कैशबैक मिलेगा. It could be 1%, it could be 3%, and in specific cases, it can go as high as even 5%, right? A very good example of simple cashback at the core of the card proposition, जो हमारा खुद का example है, is Amazon ICICI Visa card, which is a very, very simple cashback proposition.
क्या है उसमें?
उसमें like you spend on Amazon and you can spend outside Amazon, and if you are also a Prime customer, you get a certain level of cashback. If you're not, you get a certain level of cashback. And like I said, it's a very simple to understand proposition क्योंकि it's simple cashback. आपको
Amazon पे खर्चा करो तुम्हें पैसे वापस मिलेंगे.
इतने सारे पैसे वापस मिलेंगे. Now, other side, you could have cards which have a host of rewards, and rewards could be like you collect points or you collect miles, and then you can either redeem the points and miles for shopping, for discounts, or you can convert those points and miles for a airline miles, or you can convert it for hotel points, which you then use, जो आप कह रहे थे ट्रैवल के लिए. तो या तो आप सीधे बैंक के जो माइल्स हैं उसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं ऑन अ ट्रैवल OTA टू परचेज टिकट्स, और यू कन्वर्ट इट टू Air India, British Airways, Singapore Airlines, any airline system, or you can convert it to Marriott Bonvoy or Taj points, ITC points, and redeem for hotel rooms and or for airline tickets. So those are like rewards and this thing. Some things give you specific privileges. Airline lounge privilege, golf, round of golf at Chembur or Willingdon or Delhi Golf Club or whatever. Some will give you membership in certain clubs or entry to certain clubs. Then you have experiences which are like concerts.